and then I ran away because I was crying so hard. I can never ever look at Piccolo the same way ever again. I'm traumatized. I just lost my innocence. Everything hurts. I need a drink. You're going to need to pay for my therapy bills, Rachel, visibly in anguish. A poor soul sits down next to Rachel and puts hidden hands in misery.
It's so stupid. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Who said I was trying to be funny here? I'm dying. This is what's making me laugh, not me. He said he needs a drink. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? Oh my god! He got so traumatized. This is terrible. Terrible. Hatto, are you eat my hot dog? That's what he said. Are you eat my hot dog? My profile picture? Hi! Hello, Sean! Oh my goodness, it is later on. Do you have them? Do you have the Dragon Balls yet? Honestly, gonna need about 3 more. Are those the Power Rangers? What specifically?